to show you how easy it is in AccuDoc to make offers for your clients and to go back to your clinic. For that, imagine that I am going to give them a free OPG with a report on each OPG for the patient who will require for that. So for that, the first thing to do is to go to Utilities. In Utilities, you go to Diary, and in the diary, you are going to go in Appointment Types, and in Appointment Types, you are going to order for this. It's called Free OPG and Report. Free OPG and Report. You open that. If you want to change that, some free consultation or whatever, this is a gift you give to your clients if they click on the link. So this is done. This is saved. Let's go back and let's go to the list of green buttons you have on top, and you can go to Online Appointments. When you click on Online Appointments, you will be able, whatever it is, in the morning, in the night, or whenever, even if the clinic is closed, they can take their appointment online. You can go this way in the patient's file, the green button, Appointment Online. What you can do also on your website, this is my website, I can put a link, book an appointment, and it will book an appointment online. So you can do that from different places. When you click on that, you go to the center where you want to send an appointment. You are already a patient, yes, or you are a new patient. If you are a new patient, you click on New Patient, you go to Next, you put the telephone number, so try to use the good format. We will tell you about that. 6582616. I go to Arshad Khan. Voila. I go to Next. I want to have an appointment or a gift from this dentist. You have the list of dentists here. I say okay with this one. Appointment day, I would like to have an appointment, let's say on Friday afternoon. Next. Appointment type, here you look for free OPG and report because you are oriented to do that, but it can be all these things, emergency or all. We do free OPG. So we go to Next. The time by default will be 30 minutes. We go to Next, and the appointment time will be, for example, in the afternoon on Friday. I click on Next. I can add that, and I click on Recording. I am happy to have a free OPG and report from your clinic. So this is done in text, this is done in sound, and we confirm. To confirm, we say here, we propose to you on Bahama Dental Center on Friday at 12:30. So I accept the appointment or I do not accept the appointment. If you do not accept the appointment, you will be able to find a new one another day, another time. And if you accept, it will be confirmed online to you. So we proceed to this, and we are going to check on our diary what's happening. Thank for your appointment request. We follow up. So to follow up, we go here, I refresh, and I have the new appointment for Arshad Khan, who is coming at this time. Okay? And this patient will come to get a free OPG and a report on his file. This is one of the multiple ways you have to work with digital marketing with AccuDoc. Thank you for your attention.